Once upon a time, in a lush meadow, there lived a little rabbit named Rosie. Rosie had always dreamed of reaching the delicious carrots that grew on the other side of a wide river. However, the river seemed too wide, and Rosie was afraid of swimming. One day, a wise old owl approached Rosie and said, "Fear is like a river, but faith is the bridge that helps you cross it." Inspired by the owl's words, Rosie decided to take the leap. With a deep breath, Rosie jumped into the river and started swimming. The current was strong, but Rosie persevered, using all her might to paddle forward. Finally, she reached the other side, where the juiciest carrots awaited her. Rosie realized that her fear had almost held her back from achieving her dream. But with determination and faith, she was able to overcome her fear and succeed. Moral of the story: don't let fear hold you back from achieving your dreams. Take the leap, persevere, and have faith that you will reach your goals.